guys, this is Anjali and you are watching Tech Dad. In this video, we are going to compare between Realme 6 versus Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Let's start with the body of the devices. Starting with the thickness of the devices. Realme 6 comes with 8.9 mm of thickness and Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with 8.8 mm of thickness. So it's a tie here cause of both are approx the same. But in the weight of the devices, Realme 6 comes with 191 grams and Note 9 Pro have 209 grams of weight. So the winner here is Realme 6 because of lower weight of the device. And about the protective glass of the devices, Realme 6 comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and Note 9 Pro Gorilla Glass 5 of protective glass on it. So the winner here is Note 9 Pro because of newer generation of protective glass on it. Let's go for the build quality of the devices. Realme 6 comes with plastic back and plastic frame and Note 9 Pro comes with glass back and plastic frame. So the clear winner here is Note 9 Pro because of glass back. And about the SIM slot in the devices, both the devices have dual nano SIM support, so it's a tie here. Moving to the camera of the devices, and let's see which device have better camera. Starting with the rear camera of the devices, Realme 6 comes with 64 megapixel of wide camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel of micro camera and black and white of depth sensor. And in Note 9 Pro, it have 48 megapixel of wide camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel of micro camera, 2 megapixel of depth sensor. So the winner here is Realme 6 because of larger megapixel counts. And about the selfie camera of the devices, both the devices has 16 megapixel of wide angle selfie camera, but the winner here is Realme 6 Pro because of lower aperture. It can produce good quality of pictures in low light conditions. Let's talk about the camera features of the devices. Both the devices have LED flash, HDR and panorama, so it's a tie here. And about the video recording options in the devices, Realme 6 can shoot 4K video at 30 fps and 1080p at 30, 60, 120 fps with zero electronic image stabilization. And in Note 9 Pro, it can shoot 4K video at 30 fps, 1080p video at 30, 60, 120 fps and 720p video at 960 fps with zero electronic image stabilization. So the winner here is Redmi Note 9 Pro because of 720p of slow motion at 960 fps. Moving to the display of the devices, starting with the display size of the devices. Realme 6 has 6.5 inches of display and Note 9 Pro has 6.67 inches of display. So the winner here is Note 9 Pro because of larger screen size. And about the screen to body ratio of the devices, Realme 6 has 84.1% of body ratio and Note 9 Pro has 84.5% of display ratio. So it's a tie here. Let's talk about the resolution of the devices. Both the devices have 1080p of resolution, but Realme 6 has 405 ppi of pixel density and Redmi Note 9 Pro have 395 ppi of pixel density. So I will call it a tie here. And about the display type of the devices, both the devices have IPS LCD display, but the winner here is Realme 6 because it have 90 Hz of display. Moving to the performance of the devices, let's start with the operating system of the devices. Both the devices runs on Android 10, so it's a tie here. And about the UI of the devices, Realme 6 have custom UI of Realme UI and Note 9 Pro have MIUI 11 of custom UI. So I will call it a tie here because of your own choice which UI you like it or not. Let's talk about the processor of the devices. Realme 6 comes with MediaTek Helio G90T processor and Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with Snapdragon 720G processor. So the winner here is Realme 6 because of G90T is better for gaming and multitasking. And about the GPU of the devices, Realme 6 have Mali G76 MC4 GPU and Note 9 Pro has Android 618 chipset. So again, the winner here is Realme 6 because it's a better for gaming. Talking about the clock speed of the devices, Realme 6 can clock at 2.5 GHz and based on octa-core Cortex A76 chipset. In other hand, Note 9 Pro can clock at 2.3 GHz and it's based on octa-core Kryo 465. So the winner here is Realme 6 because it have higher performance cores. And about the RAM option of the devices, Realme 6 have 3 options, 4, 6 and 8 GB of RAM, and Note 9 Pro have 4 and 6 GB of RAM options. So the clear winner here is Realme 6 because of multi-RAM options. Talking about the internal storage option of the devices, both the devices have 64 and 128 GB of UFC 2.1 options. So clearly it's a tie here. And about the card slot options of the devices, both the devices have micro SD XC slot options. So again it's a tie here. Let's talk about the communication chips in the devices. Both the devices have Wi-Fi AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct and hotspot. So it's a tie here. And same in the Bluetooth. Both the devices have 5th generation of Bluetooth. So it's a tie here. And about the GPS of the devices, Realme 6 comes with AGPS, GLONASS and BDS. And Note 9 Pro have AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, NAVIC. So the clear winner here is Note 9 Pro because of extra chips of Galileo and NAVIC. And about the USB of the devices, both the devices have 2nd generation of Type-C connector. So the winner here is Realme 6 because it have USB OTG support. Let's talk about the features of the devices. Let's start with the fingerprint scanner in the devices. Both the devices have side-mounted fingerprint scanner. So it's a tie here. And again in the sensor in the devices, both the devices have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor and compass. So again it's a tie here. Let's talk about the battery of the devices. Realme 6 has 4300 mAh of lithium polymer battery and Note 9 Pro has 5020 mAh of lithium polymer battery. So the clear winner here is Note 9 Pro because of larger battery size. And about the charging of the devices, Realme 6 have 30 watts of fast charging and Note 9 Pro comes with 18 watt of fast charging. So the clear winner here is Realme 6 because of 30 watt of fast charging. Let's talk about the loudspeaker of the devices. Both the devices have normal speakers, so clearly it's a tie here. And about the headphone jacks of the devices, both the devices have headphone jacks, so again it's a tie here. Let's talk about the main feature of the devices, that is price. Both the devices starts from $250 in US market, and in Indian market Realme 6 comes with 14,000 rupees and Note 9 Pro starts from 15,000 rupees. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like our content, please like our video, share this video to your friends, and what's your thoughts in the comment below. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.